guys, welcome back again to Cooking with Diska. Today I'm going to cook bakso. So bakso is the most popular street food in Indonesia. Who doesn't like bakso? Everybody in Indonesia loves bakso. So bakso means meatball from beef, and we serve it with the beef broth. First, I'm going to make the beef stock. I prepared 2 boiled water, one in a small pot and one in a big pot. In the small pot, I'm going to blanch the bone, to rinse off the dirt and to clean it from the blood. This is to make our broth is clear. After a few minutes, I take it off and rinse it in the running water. After that, we put the bone to the big pot with the boiled water and follow with celery stick and onion. In a cheesecloth, I have cardamom pods, ginger, garlic, star anise, and the clove for the herb and spices. I tied it up and I put to the broth. We're going to bring the broth to boil and after that simmer for 1 to 2 hours. While I let my stock to be simmer, and we're going to make the meatball now. So what we need is minced beef, tapioca flour, egg white, fried garlic, salt, baking soda, and this is ice, but just put a little bit of water. And we're going to put all the ingredients to food processor and we're gonna blend it. First, I'm going to add the beef, minced beef. And I'm going to mix the salt and baking soda to ice water. Mix well and add to the pan. We're going to blend this first. Going to blend it, the minced beef, until this fine, and we're gonna add the rest of the ingredient. Egg white, fried garlic, and tapioca flour. And we're gonna blend it again. Okay, it's ready now. Now I'm going to shape the meatball to bakso, to ball shape, and after that we just put to the hot water straight away. Now I have boiled water, but I'm gonna turn it on to the lowest heat. Because when you cook bakso, you don't want to in very hot water or boiled water, because it's make the meatball will become mushy and not chewy. Okay, let's start now. Just get the dough to your hand like this, and then with your thumb and your point finger, you just make into a bowl shape, just like this. That's it. And then you scoop it with spoon and add to the hot water. very easy, isn't it? Just do it like this over and over again until our dough is finished. When the bakso is floating like this, that's mean it's ready to be taken out. So I already prepared ice water and I'm gonna put the bakso in here. The reason is because ice water is gonna keep the bakso chewy and crisp. For variation, I want to make bakso filled with boiled eggs. Usually in Indonesia they have that. Bakso like filled with boiled eggs, with cheese and Thai bird chili, a lot of variation. Me personally, I love bakso with eggs. So I'm just gonna add the dough to my hand like this. And add the egg. Just make to bowl shape again. One big bakso. When your hand feels sticky, I always prepare ice cube in front of me. You just do like this and then make another round. My bakso is ready. I already strained it before. But don't forget, we still have the stock. We need to finish it. So the stock has been simmered for almost 2 hours, and I'm gonna season with pepper and salt. Okay, now we're going to assemble the bakso. For the bakso, we have a lot of condiment here. First, I have egg noodle and vermicelli noodle, and I have fried tofu, spring onion, and of course fried shallot. Let's put it all together. We're gonna pour the broth. And sprinkle spring onion and fried shallot. What do you think? It looks so tempting, isn't it? So my bakso is ready now. Let's try the bakso. I'm going to add sambal for soup to my bakso. I have the recipe somewhere here or there, because I can't eat without spicy, so I always add a little bit of sambal. Just mix again. If you have lemon, it's nice as well when you squeeze some lemon in it. The stock is so rich. We've been simmering for 2 hours. I'm gonna try the bakso first. The bakso is nice and chewy. Noodles. Let's try my favorite bakso egg bakso, whatever. The tofu. All the ingredients here is completing each other. Okay guys, if you like my bakso recipe, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more Indonesian cooking inspiration. And for the right measurement and complete recipe, you can check on the description box below. Thank you very much for watching my video today, and see you next time. Bye bye.